madoda ibuyile.
Ungafunga ukuthi bekusenkundleni yezemidlalo e-Multichoice ngesikhathi kwamukelwe iqembu lamabhokobhoko. Ukapteni Ellis ubonge izakhamuzi zakuleli ngobumbane ezilikhombisile.
Coming to our Tambo made us realize exactly who we're doing it for and why we were doing it, and I think that was the best thing in the world to see so many people at the airport because we knew what it means, so that was very special.
Kanjalo nomqeqeshi oseshiya leli qembu Jack Ninaba uthi baye kule midlalo vele amazwe amaningi abengafuni ukubhekana nabo.
Everybody will look at the calendar and they would look when are they going to play South Africa because they want to make a statement against South Africa, so we knew every game was going to be a big game. And that's probably one of the proudest things of this group is that they accepted the responsibility of being a champion and being hunted.
Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo uZizikodwa ubonge abadlali ngokuvikela isicoco sabuyela ekhaya.
The Springboks did whatever it took, true to the charge they were sent with as they left these shores. The team and all of us South Africans shared the appreciation that this was not to be just an easy championship, as they were defending champions.
Leli qembu lizifake nasenhlizweni zabancane.
Cheslin Cody, you're my favorite. Because you inspired me. So that's why I want to be a pocket rocket just like you.
Leli qembu kusasa lizoqala umjikelezo wokutshengisa izakhamuzi zakuleli ngendebe Ye-Webb Ellis. Lo mjikelezo uzoqala ePitoli, udlulele eGoli, uphelele eFNB Stadium eSoweto. Emva kwaseGauteng uzoya eThekwini kwaZulu-Natal naseMonti eEastern Cape.